Hello everyone, myself Neha Singh. Today we'll be discuss on communication. First, what is communication? Communication is the activity of conveying information through the exchange of thoughts, messages, or information, as by speech, visuals, signals, writing, or behavior. In other words, communication is the exchange and flow of informations and ideas from one person to another. Now I will show video on communication.
Communication. We communicate with others by speaking, writing, seeing, reading, and through our actions. When the school bell rings, we know that the period in the class has just begun or has come to an end. In the olden days, messages were sent from place to place through pigeons. These pigeons were trained and were known as messenger birds. Messages were written on paper and tied to the legs of the pigeons. Messages were also sent through men. They would go on horseback and carry messages from one place to another. Importance of communication in modern life. Science has helped the modern world to communicate better. A telephone is the fastest means of communication. Radio and television help us to communicate with many people at the same time. They are good sources of news and information. They broadcast or telecast a variety of programs and also help us to know the weather forecast. They also provide us entertainment. We also communicate through letters, postcards, and airmails. Letters and parcels are carried by trains, ships, or aeroplanes to many places, both within and outside the country. Newspapers tell us what is happening around the world. There are many more new forms of communication which help us to communicate quickly and easily. These are emails, telex, and fax machines. Emails are sent through computers. Nowadays, we have mobile phones which help us to communicate even while we are on the move. Satellites also help to send messages. Knock knock. Lena opens the door. She is very happy. The postman has brought a letter for her from her friend. She reads the letter and sits at her writing table to write a reply letter to her friend. Lena writes the letter and puts it in an envelope. This is how she writes the address on the envelope. The name of the person to whom the letter is written, the house or the flat number, and the name of the building. The name of the street or area. The name of the village and district or the name of the city. The PIN code number. Visit to a post office. Lena and her brother Vicky go to the post office. There, they see different counters for different things. People queue there for stamps, money order forms, and inland letters. Leena buys a stamp of the correct value for her envelope. She pastes the stamp on the right-hand corner of her envelope. Leena and Vicky then post the letter in a post box.
Next, what is importance of communication? Communication is important in every part of life, whether we are dealing with family, relationship, or business. Most of the problems that occurs in any organizations are because of failing to communicate effectively. Hence, ability to communicate properly contributes to the success of an individual. Next, type of communication, verbal or non-verbal. Verbal communication is what is being said. It is important because what we said should make sense to the other person. Non-verbal communication includes eye contact, facial expression, posture. Eye contact, people who maintain eye contact convey interest in what the other person is saying. Facial expression, smiling is the signal that we want to hear the other person. If we fawn, it clearly gives a signal what we are not interested in the other person. Posture. We communicate by the way you talk and move. Standing straight communicates to listener that we are approachable and friendly. Speaking with you back, turned, or looking at the floor or ceiling communicates disinterest. How to communicate effectively? Step first one, listen, understand, acknowledge, answer, and question. Simple ways to communicate effectively. When speaking or trying to explain something, ask the listener if they are following you. Make sure the receiver has a chance to comment or ask question. Next, try to put yourself in other person's shoes. Consider a feeling of the receiver. Be clear about what you say. Next, look at the receiver. Make sure your words match your body language, non-verbal behaviors. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.
क्या है?
दोनों में चैप्टर में दिया हुआ है टेलीकॉम कम्युनिकेशंस बिहेवियरल कम्युनिकेशन सब पार्ट का करके
तुम उनको ऐसे ये उसमें आता है, मतलब जनरल एक्टिविटी में आता है।
हमको कोई दिक्कत नहीं।